Tonight, you're going to turn off the last light in your room. The bulb clicks off. Darkness fills the space. And for just a moment, maybe a half second, maybe less, something ancient stirs. Your breathing quickens. Your pupils dilate. Your muscles tense. Your brain, that magnificent 3-pound universe inside your skull, just switched modes. Without asking, without telling you. It went from safe and sound to something might be lurking. And nothing changed about your room. Not one thing. The furniture is the same. The walls are the same. The closet door that you know, does not have anything behind it, is the same closet door it was 10 seconds ago. But your brain does not care about what you know. Your brain cares about what it cannot see. Here is the uncomfortable truth. You are afraid of the dark. Not metaphorically, not as a cute personality quirk. You are genuinely, physiologically, measurably afraid of the dark. And you have been since before you had language to describe it. Let me explain. Fear of the dark is not a phobia. It is not a disorder. It is not something to overcome. It is one of the oldest survival programs running in the human brain. Older than language. Older than thought. Older than you. A 2019 study from the Smithsonian Institution analyzed the evolutionary timeline of predator-prey relationships in Africa, where humans evolved. The data showed something stark. For millions of years, the most dangerous predators, leopards, hyenas, lions, giant owls, were all primarily nocturnal. They hunted in the dark. They owned the night. And your ancestors? Your ancestors were prey. Not always. Not even most of the time, eventually. But for long enough, hundreds of thousands of years, that being in the dark meant being hunted, meant being eaten, meant dying without ever seeing what killed you. Natural selection is brutally simple. The ancestors who were alert in the dark survived. The ancestors who were calm in the dark did not. Period. Their genes ended with them. In the dark, where nothing could see what happened. Your brain is the product of every single one of those survival events. Every ancestor who made it through a dark night passed their caution forward. Every ancestor who did not, did not. You are descended from the ones who feared the dark. Every single one of them. But it goes deeper than just being alert. When you step into darkness, your brain does something remarkable. It starts fabricating threats. It takes every shadow and turns it into a potential predator. Every creak becomes a footstep. Every rustle becomes something breathing. This is not a malfunction. This is a feature. Your brain is running a detection algorithm that says, when you cannot see, assume everything is dangerous. Because for most of human history, when you could not see, everything often was dangerous. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Neuroscience showed that the amygdala, the brain's fear center, becomes significantly more active when humans are in low-light conditions. It does not wait for evidence of danger. It preloads danger. It assumes threat before any threat appears. Your brain would rather be wrong 1,000 times and scared than wrong once and dead. This is called the smoke detector principle. The cost of a false alarm is low. You get scared, you calm down, no harm done. The cost of a missed detection is infinite. You are dead, your genes end. So your brain errs on the side of fear. Every time. In the dark. Always. Now here is where it gets truly fascinating. Modern humans are afraid of the dark even though the predators are gone. Even though you live in a locked house with electricity and security systems, and none of the things that hunted your ancestors exist in your bedroom, your brain cannot tell the difference. The wiring is still there. The program still runs. When the lights go off, your amygdala fires, your pupils dilate, your muscles tense, and your ancient brain says, you are in danger. Even though you know you are not. This is the forgotten wiring. The survival program that kept your ancestors alive through millions of years of nocturnal predators now fires in a world where the predators have been gone for 10,000 years. You are not broken. You are not childish. You are not irrational. You are running a program written in the dark by people who survived the dark. And that program is so deeply embedded in your biology that no amount of modern safety can override it. Tonight, when you turn off that last light, you are going to feel it. That half second of ancient fear. And now you know what it is. It is not weakness. It is not a flaw. It is the echo of every ancestor who made it through a dark night and lived to see morning. You are afraid of the dark because your ancestors were afraid of the dark. And their fear is the reason you exist. That changes everything.